Okay, hi everybody, Mike here. It's time to go flying again. We are at the spot and we're gonna fly again to our favorite mountain up there. And we're gonna be working on diving down some of these chutes before the wind pickups. So we got the Cinema Quad and let's get in the air. Max?
Okay.
Save and exit.
Okay, save and exit. We're there.
Kicking in. We got 20.8. We got 14 sets. We got 3 green bars. We're recording up there.
Arm the motors.
Arm the motor.
Check.
Arm motors.
Start the Blackmagic camera recording. Check.
You got a red
light's
light
on. Confirm it's recording. Set recording status. Why we don't need that. Hold home distance, altitude, satellites, and take off.
Okay. Try this again, I guess, huh?
You're ready to go.
Shit.
Here we go.
Where's my GPS rescue switch? Right there.
Okay, good. Take off.
Take 2. Shit, all right.
Altitude 150, 19 miles an hour.
Okay. Okay, distance is
500 feet.
We're at 2,600.
2,600, yeah.
I figured we'd get here about 3,000. We're getting up near Goat Point. You should be pointed at Goat Point.
Yep.
Okay, we're doing good. We're just under 28, under 3,000.
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay, point at the church mountain here. I think our quad is blocking this here.
Yeah.
Our motors and stuff. Here's the first guy, the first point, right?
Right. Okay, now do you want to break your
Oh yeah.
file? Wait till you're around here.
Wait till I go past this here. I'll wait till I get to the very top.
Okay. $21 miles an hour, 3,200, 3,300.
I'll wait till I turn around. I may not even break it. I'm just gonna keep it.
Okay.
This is such a great. Okay, we're gonna go diving here.
Alrighty. Altitude 5,000 feet, right there.
Yeah, the roller coaster ride.
Hey. That looks good.
There's that stick I was worried about right there. Just saw. Okay, we're gonna go down the chute. So you should be aiming at
I'm coming over to the
middle chute. We're going down the middle chute. Okay?
I'm aimed right at it. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, there we go.
I gotta watch my landmarks here. I'm gonna be at the bottom here. Right now. I gotta pull up and go to the right. We're gonna probably lose some tree signal maybe. Okay, this is a break file spot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I broke it and I turned it back on now. Battery check 3,800. So far so good. You're aimed at the main.
Yeah.
We're gonna snake our ways up. Go down the big chute again. I gotta watch battery power now. 4,000. Where are you aimed at?
I'm aimed at the chute right now. Top of the chute.
Cool. We never really looked at it like this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 4,300.
44 milliamps.
I gotta start heading home by 65 or 68.
Okay.
Right. Aimed at the top of the ridge.
Headed for...
I'm gonna do another dive from the top of the main chute, okay?
Alrighty.
You good?
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
This is what I wanted. $4,800.
4,800.
2 dives. Now I'm gonna go over to goat.
Okay.
Goat rock. And I'm gonna dive and look at the goat rock, and then think about diving down the near chute
Okay.
if I have lots of power still. Let's sneak up on goat rock and see what's up here first. We're at 52. We got lots of power, don't we?
Got lots of power.
We got to start heading back at 65, 68.
Mm-hmm.
You aim to goat rock, okay?
I'm aimed at goat rock now.
No goats there. Okay, status check. I'm gonna break the file right here.
Okay.
I broke it again. Okay. Okay, 54. I got enough power to dive this then.
That's 55 now. Okay.
Okay. But what I want to do is get lower. Watch my power for me, okay?
Mm-hmm. Watching 5600 there. Ooh, that's nice. $5,700 milliamps.
I expected this right here.
5,800 milliamps.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it up.
5,900 milliamps.
Okay, we have done our mission objectives.
Okay.
So the mission now is everything's
6,000 milliamps.
6. My voltage is low there, but it's because I'm pushing it. Should we start heading home?
Well, I don't know. The voltage is at 3.16.
We got plenty.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go up here and
6,200.
watch. Yeah, 62. Actually, we need to be leaving at the top. Yeah, you're gonna have to start heading home soon, aren't we?
Mm.
Here, I'll do one more little mini dive on this.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me.
There's 6,400 milliamps.
Yeah, we need to 65 to 68. We need to start coming home.
There's 65 right
We're
there.
gonna do this and start heading home.
Okay. $66.
Okay. Slow it down, Mikey. Watch for trees. Shit, we may need to take a victory lap down here, dude.
Flight time is 15 minutes.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Hey, we got our objectives done.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't have a blanky screen.
No, it was fine.
Wow, I was nervous about that the whole time, you know? I was worried about the screen going black on us again.
Yeah, I know.
You know me.
That just...
Okay, now I got to try to hit this landing. If we don't do this, this is a failed mission.
Okay, well you're lining up on it there. You're a little to the left. Now you're coming in pretty close now. Now you're drifting off to the right. You're drifting way off there.
I'm a fool. Okay, this powered down. Well, so much. Okay. 15 minutes and change. Okay, I did the VTX down, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Okay, I could see a little bit of spreckles on the screen. You see that little sparkly stuff?
Uh-huh.
That means our receiver up here is getting a little warmish.
Okay.
That's a telltale sign of that. Well, that was scary. We survived the odds again, didn't we? Let's see, we started out and we got in the air the first time and we got a blank black screen when we just took off, which scared the poop out of me. My goggles went black. And then we changed the battery, came back, changed the battery and flew again. And anyways, that'd be fun to see what that looks like. Thanks for watching.